Hello, I'm Atik from Agency Handy. Hope you are having a great day. So today we are gonna look at how to auto create tickets in Agency Handy whenever your client sends an email to you. So to do that, you can go to Workspace config from here and email to ticket. You don't need to set up any emails for this. So there you would see an email address provided to you, forwarding email address. You can copy it. This setup works with Gmail, Outlook, and Zoho and cPanel and others. Today we're gonna look at how to do this in Gmail. So you will just copy this address and go to your Gmail account and go to settings and forwarding and open IMAP option here. In here you can add a forwarding address here and paste the email you have just copied from Agency Handy. Hit next. Complete any authentication Google is asking from you. After completing the authentication, click proceed from here. Click OK. Here, an email address will be provided to you. If that uh, doesn't come, you can click resend from here. And after that, you can click this option from here and open the confirmation link from here and click confirm. You can then click on this. Now the forwarding email address has been set up, and if you want to auto create ticket whenever a client uh, emails send an email to you, you can open this option. So to demonstrate this, I'm going to send an email to the email address I have set up here. So I'm going to send an email from here. This is a client email address of mine. So as you can see, a new email has been created from the email I have sent. You'd also get an email and notification as well. So the subject is from the email is set as ticket subject and email body is set as the ticket description. That's all from me today. Bye.